Hey guys, another day here, and I think in this episode we're gonna install the windshield because I'm sick and tired of wiring, and I think we're pretty much done with the wiring. So let's install the windshield in this episode. I was holding it till now because it was easier to run cables and stuff. I can reach with one hand through the engine bay and run cables and stuff like that, but now I don't need to do that anymore, so I can install the windshield. Okay, so we have the windshield here, and we have a gasket. Take out the sticker. So first we have to install the gasket on the windshield in such a way that the channel for the locking trim has to be on the outside. The channel in which the glass is going is the deepest one. So this is the channel in which the lip of the windshield frame has to go inside here, right? So in this channel, I used to have a really nice piece of cord here, but I can't find it anymore, so I'm just gonna put a piece of wire inside, a thick wire. I'm gonna use red wire, so it is easy to be seen. And I'm gonna put the two ends at the bottom, the center bottom. So I've done that before. I showed that before in another video for my Spitfire, but I'll do it again now. Maybe this quality is gonna be better. I hope so, because there the video quality wasn't the best. So hopefully here we're gonna have a better video quality. Well, that's exactly how much we needed. Perfect. So now we're gonna spray some soapy water all over the place. Hopefully inside the channel. And now we can go to the car. Okay, so the wires are going inside, and we start installing it from the bottom up. So now we have to make sure that this lip goes and replaces the wire in that groove, in that channel. Okay, so now we have to push the windshield down while pulling this wire out. Okay, now here is on the corner. It's important to make sure. You see how the wire is pulling the lip of the gasket out, and it's putting it on top of the lip of the windshield, you see? So now here we have to push down, and so far so good, I think. So from here now we're gonna go the other way. We just need to make sure that we're pushing the window down. The bottom is easy, I think, I hope. No, don't come up. Oh, came up. Came off that lip. Oh my god. Well, it looks like we have to start from the beginning. Okay. You know how the windshield frame is wrapped in vinyl? There are some areas in which the gasket is over the lid but not over the vinyl, so this is what I'm doing here with this pick. I'm just lifting the gasket and pushing the vinyl inside. Okay. So now we have to make sure that it is the bottom lip is inside, which I don't think it is everywhere. So now I have to push it as far down as we can and keep doing the corners. Okay, so now a little bit more soapy water. And I'll keep pulling out the wire while pushing the window down. The corners are the trickiest, so here we have to wiggle the wire left and right so we don't cut the gasket, because it's very easy to cut the gasket on the corners. Okay, and once we're past the corner, we can go to the other one. So same here, soapy water. Pushing the window down. the rest should be easy now. Okay. That's it. Now we're just gonna make sure that the gasket is around the lip everywhere. Like here, I have a little spot. Okay. Managed to pull it out with my fingers, and everything else is perfect. That's it. So now we're ready for the locking trim or whatever you want to call it. Alright, so for the external bead or lock or whatever you want to call it, I have a special tool I'll show you. This is the tool that is supposed to go inside, open the channel, and in the meantime push the bead inside. Let me show you what the idea is. So if you have the trim like that, and with this you're supposed to open the channel and keep pushing the bead inside, which somewhat works. Okay, let me try with it. If not, I'm going to show you my other way. Just spray some soapy water here. So this we are supposed to start from the center, of course. But to be honest, I find this really hard. So I'll show you another way. So I have another special tool. And it is this special tool. It just pushes it inside as long as there's soapy water there, as long as there's some lubricant, you know, because if there's no lubricant, nothing happens. Don't you think this is much easier? And in the package I have this little finisher which will slide in. Okay. And now we can finish doing that. Now I can slide the finisher so it covers the gap. And that's it, our windshield is in. Ready for the road. Okay, so that's gonna be for today's episode, guys. Thanks for watching and commenting and subscribing, and we're ready for the road. Almost. Take care. Bye.